Learning with eyes. Welcome to Ice Education, the only education that matters. Today, we'll be doing a quick video about integration by parts. So, the good question is, when do we have integration by part? We have integration by part when we have two different nature of function. By that, I mean, let's say you have an integration of an exponential function like this and a trigonometric function, or an integration of a polynomial function with an exponential function. Because these two, they are of different nature, this is a polynomial and exponential. If you have to differentiate them, you need to use what we call integration by part. So without wasting time, let's jump in the video. Here it is. This is the general formula of integration by part. It is written as integration of u dv to be equal to uv minus integration of v du. Now, a quick example, I'm going to work with this one. Let's say we have integration of x exponential x dx. So this is what we have to integrate. Now, there is a rule, I call it LIPET. L-I-P-E-T. Why do I call it LIPET? Because when you do integration by part, you have u is the function that you call to differentiate first, and v is the one that you find the integration. So in this order, L stands for line function or logarithm, I stand for inverse function, P for polynomial, E for exponential, T for trigonometric. So you always call your u according to this order. Like in this case here, because I do have polynomial and exponential, I know the u should be the polynomial. So here we go. U in this case is x. So what I have to find next is du dx. Du dx is simply the derivative of x, which is 1 in this case. And I have dv. dv is the function that I have to integrate, which is exponential x. So the integration, which it is v, will still give exponential x. So in this case, I can make du subject of the formula, which would be simply equal to dx. Now, what is left is simply to apply the formula. So what we have is integration of u dv will be of this function, copying the answer. We're going to have u which is x, v which is exponential x, minus integration of v du. V is exponential x. And what is du? Du is simply dx. That's the reason here we do have a dx here. And if we have to end this video, we can write exponential x minus integration of exponential x. It is simply exponential x, and we can add the c at the end. We are done. For beauty, we can simply write exponential x as common factor, which will be x minus 1 plus c. So follow the link in the bio, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. Bye.